Go. Okay. Hi, everybody. This is my workshop in. Let's see. I'll make a big screen here. I'm recording this, and these are the people in my workshop. Everyone say hi. Yay. Okay. All right. So, well, I could just have them in the background. So, we're recording this right now. Okay, so I just want to show you a little bit about, I'm just making a demonstration recording today to show people what we're doing. Let's say we used Padlet today. This is, Padlet's a nice tool. We used Etherpad. Someone's Etherpad is loading. This is the one I created. Students had been messing with it a little bit. They've left it alone now. It's okay, because it's just a tool we were using. We did Google Forms. This is the, whoa, everyone's email, okay, everyone's email address just went on my recording. Okay, but basically we were looking at that. We're looking at how to make charts, screen captures from charts for what you've recorded. And what else? We're looking at how we can search on the tag for today and get links to show up. Just refresh that and see if anybody else has posted anything. Yes, Yam Julapun and has posted something. Okay, so great. That's working. We're getting links. And right now, the students are creating a Google Doc, and I'm waiting for their document to show up here. I get a little circle on my screen. So when as they create the documents and share them with me, they should show up here. And these are the instructions for sharing the document. Okay, I'll go back to the class now. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn this off. That has been a problem in the past. Okay. Something about the way I have it sized here, or I'm having a little trouble stopping the recording. Okay. I've had this problem before. Unable to stop the recording. So what could it be? I'll hit escape here and see if I can get out of anything. No? The recording is just going on, and I'm unable to stop it. There should be a little tool down here. Oh, there it is. Aha, okay.